Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about earbuds this year. The CMF by Nothing Buds 2 Plus. These sleek, in-ear wireless earbuds are not just about looks. They bring hybrid active noise cancellation up to 50 decibels, 360 degrees spatial audio, and super dynamic bass 2.0 for that immersive listening experience. Weighing just 4.5 grams per ear. They're super lightweight, perfect for all-day wear. Whether you're studying, commuting, or hitting the gym, what really stands out is the battery life. Up to 61.5 hours with the case when ANC is off. Even with ANC on, you're looking at 33 hours total, which is impressive. And for high-resolution audio lovers, yes, it supports LDAC, AAC, and SBC codecs. You can also customize your listening experience with a personalized EQ using the Nothing X app. Need fast charging? Just 10 minutes gives you up to 4.5 hours of playback. That's crazy good for people on the go. With Bluetooth 5.4, dual device connection, and an IP55 dust and water resistance. These are built for every lifestyle. If you're looking for premium sound, long-lasting battery, and modern design, the Nothing Buds 2 Plus might just be your next favorite pair. Headphone. Want to check them out? Click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next